Alrighty, next up we got the Adventure Series Marion Ravenwood from Raiders of the Lost Ark. Let's crack her open. Alrighty, next up we got Miss Marion Ravenwood. I think, honestly, pretty good facial likeness to how Karen Allen looked during that time. I'm sorry, I'm just like looking right now. There's like a hair on the figure or something. I don't know, or it's just a weird glaze line. I don't know, but nonetheless, very good likeness to Karen Allen. Based off her Cairo experience right before the goons jump her in Indy. Solid arm extension. Boom, boom. Joints there, not too tight, but not too loose. Good rotation. Boom, boom. Let's see. Ooh, nice tight joints in the legs. Nice solid bend there. Nice solid bend there. Gets to about like right at this angle before there's any pressure. Make sure she's good. Yep. All right. And then I don't think I showed this. We got the kind of like the splits look right here. Let's check the movement on the feet. I think the right term to say for this is like swivel joints here, but boom, legs or the shoes and the feet go there, and then boom, bit forward. Make sure I don't break that, and then same on the other side. Boom, boom. Oh, the paint's a little wonky on the back of her leg here, but that's all good. This set is from the that video that I posted back in the spring where I found I just like found the figures in the wild. It was just like the hunt footage video, but now finally getting around to opening them up. And then hands have some movement here. Boom, boom. Then she comes with the frying pan that she hits the goon with. And then the traitorous little monkey. And then the two Build-A-Figure pieces for the Ark. Oh, got that the wrong way. So that's cool there, yeah. So let's get Miss Marion posed up and we'll give you guys a look. Alrighty then, here is the final look we got at Miss Marion Ravenwood herself. I just decided for now at least to have the traitorous little monkey on her shoulder with the frying pan, and yeah, cool figure. I definitely recommend getting her in the collection. But anyways guys, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.